The stretch and flex exercises of the week are a standing hamstring stretch and a seated piriformis stretch. For your standing hamstring stretch, start off by placing one heel in front and to the side, where you will then hinge your hips backwards, feeling a light stretch in your hamstrings. Hold this for about 15 to 30 seconds. Next, for our seated piriformis stretch, begin by forming a tabletop position where your ankle is just slightly above your knee and your up leg is parallel to the ground. Hinge your hips backwards for this position to feel a slight stretch in your piriformis muscle. I recommend 1 to 2 sets for 15 to 30 seconds on both of these exercises.